Oh, hi everyone. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. It's Temmys, and in today's video, I want to talk about. It's like educational video. I want to teach you guys how to speak, how to greet in Yoruba language. I'm a Yoruba, so I'm here with my daughter. Do you want to say hello?
Hi.
So today I will be teaching her. She already knows it, but I'm still going to. It's just like a lesson for my kids as well, so that they can come back to this video and learn how to greet in Yoruba. So first of all, we want to start with good morning. Good morning. Oh, sorry. Good morning. In Yoruba, we say ẹ káàárọ̀. Can you say that?
Ẹ káàárọ̀.
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 Okay, very good. So if you want to say good afternoon in Yoruba, we say ẹ káàsán. Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán. Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán.
Very good. And if you want to say good evening in Yoruba, we say ẹ káalẹ́.
Ẹ káalẹ́.
Ẹ káalẹ́.
Ẹ káalẹ́.
Ẹ káalẹ́.
Ẹ káalẹ́.
Or ẹ kú.
Ẹ kúlẹ̀.
Ẹ kú rọ̀lẹ́.
Ẹ kúlẹ̀.
Ẹ kú rọ̀lẹ́.
Ẹ kúlẹ̀.
Ẹ kú rọ̀lẹ́.
Ẹ kúlẹ̀.
So you can say ẹ káalẹ́ or ẹ kú rọ̀lẹ́. So if you want to say welcome, if somebody come to your house and you want to, your daddy or your mommy, and you want to greet them in Yoruba, you say what? Ẹ káàbọ̀.
Ẹ káàbọ̀.
Ẹ káàbọ̀. If it's your daddy, what do you say?
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sà.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sà. If it's your mommy,
Ẹ káàbọ̀ ma.
ẹ káàbọ̀ ma. So it's ẹ káàbọ̀. Welcome in Yoruba is ẹ káàbọ̀. And if you want to say goodbye in Yoruba, you say ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀.
You can write it this way or ó dà. You know, in Yoruba we emphasize our word. Ó dàbọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Means goodbye in Yoruba. And if you want to say good night, like if you guys are going to bed, good night, in Yoruba we say ó dàárọ̀. Ó dàárọ̀.
Ó dàárọ̀.
Ó dàárọ̀.
Ó dàárọ̀.
Ó dàárọ̀.
Ó dàárọ̀.
Okay, let's recap all we have said earlier, right?
Yeah.
So what is good morning in Yoruba?
Ẹ káàárọ̀.
Ẹ káàárọ̀. Good morning is
Ẹ káàárọ̀.
ẹ káàárọ̀. Good afternoon is what?
Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán. Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán. If it's your mommy, you say ẹ káàsán ma.
Ẹ káàsán ma.
If it's your daddy, you say
Ẹ káàsán
sir. Okay. And good evening is what? Ẹ káalẹ́.
Ẹ káalẹ́ ma.
Ẹ káalẹ́ ma. Ẹ káalẹ́ sir. Very good. And welcome is what? Ẹ káàbọ̀.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ ma. Ẹ káàbọ̀
sir. Yeah, ẹ káàbọ̀ ma. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sir. Goodbye is what?
Ó dàárọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀. Odabo. So if it's your daddy that is going out, or
Odabosa.
Odaboma. And if it's bedtime, good night is what?
Odaro.
Odaro.
Odaroma. Odarosa.
Odaro. Odaroma.
Odaroma.
Odarosa.
Odarosa.
Very good. Well done. Oh, I hope you guys catch up with us and you enjoy this episode of Yoruba language. I'm going to do more. Sorry guys, I'm going to do more Yoruba lesson. If you really enjoyed this one, gives me a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in our next video. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Odabo.
Odabo.
Odabo.